A wise man once said, and I quote, "An agbero that does not wake up at dawn will not find a damp to jump on." That is, opportunities does not wake those who are asleep. The 2023 election is fast approaching and presidential candidates are on their toes to make sure they come out victorious, and I hope citizens are doing the same. It seems like there's not going to be an excuse this time around because the Federal High Court has ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to resume continuous voters registration. Trust me to give you all the details. But first, I welcome you to So This Happened, where we get to highlight and review stories that made the news recently. My name is Adebimpe Olajiga, your friendly labor aid reporter. Let's start with the first story. Remember, in July, INEC had suspended the continuous voters registration after a 1-month extension following the Federal High Court's dismissal of a suit filed by the Social Economic Rights and Accountability Project, which sought an extension of the exercise beyond 30th June 2022. As if that wasn't enough. After that, one Anajat Salmat and 3 others had sued INEC, arguing that the electoral body cannot stop the voters' registration contrary to the stipulated provisions of the Constitution. They urged the court to order the electoral body to resume the exercise in accordance with the law of the country. My people, you need to know what happened. So, because of the case, the Federal High Court in Abuja ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission to immediately resume continuous voters registration until 90 days before the 2023 elections. He also directed INEC to ensure that eligible Nigerians are not deprived the opportunity to have the voters card for the forthcoming election. So, my dear listeners, you can now go and get your PVC. Don't come and shout, "This country is not working" later. Oh. Make sure you register and get your PVC. There is nothing we won't see in this world again. Well, they have said there is nothing new under the sun. So why am I even shocked? 2 fraudsters posing as prophets have been arrested by the Lagos State Police Command for attempting to extort 600,000 naira from a 64-year-old woman in Lagos. So this is how it happened. Apparently, they offered to give the woman a ride and she concurred. And on the trip, they began to tell her they had a prophecy that she would die, and thereby demanded money from her in order to help her avert the death. Who go hear this kind of story? We no go fear. So on hearing the story, she rushed to a nearby bank around and attempted to withdraw the demanded amount. When the cashier noticed her restlessness and as she was trying to withdraw the money, she was receiving calls repeatedly. That was how she was concerned and decided to ask the woman. Then the woman responded that she was forbidden to talk about the issue, else she would be killed if she opens up. Meanwhile, police operatives from Ogudu Division were immediately contacted, resulting in the arrest of 2 out of 3 suspects as the 3rd guy fled by jumping the fence. Thank God for the cashier. Guys, this festive period, please be careful and let's be vigilant. Abeg, shine your eye well. So I stumbled on a particular story of a girl who was reported to have stabbed her 21-year-old boyfriend. This happened in Agongi, Lagos. I was perplexed and took it upon myself to find more information about the incident. On getting to the area, it happened that the security were scared to give me more information about it. I then requested to speak with a member of the estate committee. Fortunately, I got one to speak. He said he wasn't around when it happened. But these people just started living in the estate. He even said it's not even up to 6 months the guy introduced the girl to the security, saying she's my girlfriend and anytime she comes, she should be granted access into the estate. My people, I did not stop there. I requested to see the apartment. Maybe I can get a neighbor to speak or something. On getting there, it was a semi-detached duplex with no neighbors, but only the security house, which was a little bit far from the building. I was worried and asked how they heard of the case. The man, who preferred to remain anonymous, said she rushed out of the main gate screaming, "Our boyfriend is dead, our boyfriend is dead." And on getting there, they saw that he was stabbed and was rushed to Evercare Hospital, where he was confirmed dead. The case was, however, reported to the police, and they have identified the girl as Esther Paul, and it was alleged that she stabbed her boyfriend, Sadiq Owolabi Dahiru, on the 20th of November 2022. Guys, what baffles me is what would have transpired between the both of them. Whatever must have happened, we only get to hear from one party. Like they say in Yoruba, "Oku parọ́ mọ́." You can only lie against the dead. I hope he gets justice, and may his soul rest in perfect peace. And now we've come to the end of this episode. Be free to share your comments on any of the stories. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles for the second news updates. Until next time, my name is Adebimpe Olachiga, your friendly neighborhood reporter. Thank you for watching.